Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to be unboxing my December MorpheMe subscription service. And for those of you that don't know what MorpheMe is, it is a monthly beauty subscription service. They pretty much send you $30 to $40 in Morphe brushes, which I think is absolutely amazing. You can never have enough brushes, in my opinion. It is $19.99 per month, and I will leave the link to sign up down below. If you wanted to see what I got in this month's little bag, then just keep watching. So they come packaged in plastic wrap and then individually wrapped. But this is my second time filming this, as the first time my lighting was completely off. So it's no surprise to me. This month we got 4 brushes, 2 face brushes, and 2 eye brushes. December's theme was Slay the Holidays with MorpheMe. Comes with a pamphlet each month. And it just breaks down all of the brushes and gives you kind of a detail of what they're used for. Like I said, we got 4 brushes this month, 2 face, 2 eyes, and they are in this nice red barrel looking metal, which I think is super awesome. I don't have anything with these kind of handles, which is cute. The black synthetic bristles. I'm first gonna start off with this guy. This is the RG18 and it is a round crease brush. On here it says, on the first day of Christmas, your true love gave to you the ultimate round crease brush to make your blending dreams come true. Use it to create a soft transition or contour that nose to perfection. Could not agree more with that description. I definitely think this would be great for nose contouring. I never do nose contouring, but I could totally see where they're coming from because the bristles are rounder and it would make it really nice and easy to get into the hollows of your nose there, and definitely to blend out the outer crease 100%. Next up is the RG24, and this is the blending fluff brush. It says, blend those winter shades into your crease and apply a highlight more mesmerizing than an ornament with the blending fluff brush to complete your holiday look. I don't know if I would use this for highlighting, but I could definitely see that. I love Morphe blending brushes. They are probably one of my favorites. And this would definitely be easy to blend in your crease, super fluffy, and I'm so excited to use this guy. Next up is the RG8 and the RG6. The RG8 is a tapered powder brush, and the RG6 is a flat buffer brush. So it says here, time for Santa's secret weapon. Deck your face with the perfect foundation using the RG6 flat buffer, and get those cheeks as rosy as Mrs. Claus with the RG8 tapered blush brush. I never use flat kabuki kind of brushes for my foundation. I'm just always afraid that it's gonna leave streaks and not properly blend it out like a sponge, but I definitely would give this a shot. I could also use this for applying powder underneath the eyes, carving out your contour. I could totally see it with that. And this guy I could totally see with blush, and I can also see even like swiping away powder all over your face, but I definitely would be using it for blush. So these were the brushes that we got in the December MorpheMe. I am so excited to add these to my collection. I definitely think this is well worth the $19.99. And I am so excited to see what is in January's MorpheMe. If you guys have any subscription services that you want me to review or you want me to unbox on my channel, leave a comment down below in the comment section and I will gladly do so. So if you guys like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you aren't already, click that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!